A very good morning to all my dear students of class 12. Today we discuss a very important reaction from the chapter 11, alcohol, phenol and ether. Clear? This is the name of the chapter, and the important reaction is in the formation of alcohol from the Grignard reagent. What do you mean by Grignard reagent? RMgX is the formula of Grignard reagent. Clear? R here is a alkyl group, Mg is the magnesium, and the X is the any halogen. Clear? So, in the reaction, how the Grignard reagent is going to react with the ketone to form alcohol. Clear? So here this is the structure of you can say formula of acetone. Here the carbon is attached with the most electronegative element, that is oxygen, in which a partial negative charge is occurring on the carbon and the partial positive charge occurring on this carbon. Partial negative charge occurring on this oxygen and partial negative positive charge is occurring on this carbon. And it means that all the electrons are withdrawing from this carbon to this oxygen. Clear? So this minus shows the electron density is going to be stored on the oxygen. Clear? So during that, this alkyl group from the Grignard reagent is electron rich species. It is going to attack on this carbon because this carbon is more electron deficient in nature, and a new bond will form with the R, with this acetone. Clear? Now this pi bond, which is a weak bond, is going to be break down, and this pi bond's electron will be shifted to this oxygen. Now in the case of we can say the next step of this reaction, the new bond is going to be drawn by the white colored chalk. This new bond is formed in which alkyl group, which comes from this Grignard reagent, is going to be attached here with the carbon. For representing, to understand, this is the new bond which is going to be shown by a different white colored chalk. Okay, for your better understanding. Now this oxygen will have a negative sign, and this negative sign is going to attach with this positive sign, MgBr. OMgBr now formed here, and this is an intermediate, which is not the complete or final product of the reaction. Now after that procedure or that step, we are going to hydrolyze, or we can say react with the water molecule. So it will form here, the bond breakdowns here from here, and this oxygen is attached with the hydrogen because H2O will convert into H plus ion and OH minus ion, and this H plus ion is attached with this O negative charge